Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix a black and white screen on your laptop or PC. So let's get started. If your screen suddenly turns grayscale, don't panic. It's usually not a hardware issue. Most of the time, this happens because a color filter setting has been turned on in Windows. To fix it, start by opening the Start menu from the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, click on Settings. If you don't see it pinned, you can simply type Settings in the search bar and open it from there. Once inside the Settings window, look for the Accessibility option. This section controls features designed to make your computer easier to use, including visual adjustments. After opening Accessibility, scroll down until you find Color Filters and click on it. This is where Windows allows you to apply different color modes to your screen. Inside the Color Filter section, you'll see a toggle switch. If it's turned on, that's likely the reason your screen is black and white. Simply turn this option off and your display should instantly go back to normal colors. In some cases, this setting can be accidentally activated using a keyboard shortcut, so turning it off here is the quickest fix. Once disabled, all apps, icons, and your desktop should return to their original colors. That's all you need to do to fix the issue quickly without any technical steps or repairs. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.